Welcome to Blush Lab, where I experiment with AI. Today, I'm going to show you how to build a video game in under 5 minutes. No game engine, no coding bootcamp, no YouTube tutorial with a 45-minute intro. Just you, a terminal, and Claude. Step 1. Ditch ChatGPT. Ditch Gemini. Ditch whatever you've been using that makes you feel like you're texting a customer service bot. Oh, you need help? Sure. Let me transfer you to another department. And that department will transfer you to another department. And they'll ask you to explain your problem again, from the beginning. Your call is very important to us. Is it though? Is it really? Go get yourself a Claude Max membership. Go to claude.ai, sign up, done. And look, if you don't know how to do that, go ask ChatGPT or Gemini how to sign up for Claude. Let them be useful one last time, then cancel them. Bye-bye. Step 2. This is where it gets spicy. Go grab Claude Code. It's a command line tool, and before you panic, it's easy. But first, if you're on Windows, I love you, but ditch that. Get a Mac. I'm serious. Mac is the way to go for this stuff. The terminal just works. No weird compatibility nonsense. No. Have you tried running it as administrator? None of that. Now open your Mac, hit Command Space, that spotlight, type terminal, and hit enter. Boom, you're in. That black window with the blinking cursor? That's where the magic happens. That's your new best friend. Install Claude Code. Don't know how? Here's the beautiful part. Go back to your shiny new Claude Max subscription on claude.ai and just ask. Say, how do I install Claude Code on my Mac? He'll walk you through it step by step. That's the whole point. The AI teaches you how to use the AI. It's like Inception, but actually useful. Once it's installed, open that terminal again and type one word. Claude. That's it. Just Claude. Hit enter. And now you're talking to an AI that can actually build things, not just chat about building things, actually build them. So here's what you do. You tell Claude, build me a web version of Asteroids with sound effects. You know, the game. The classic. Pew pew. Little triangle ship spinning around blasting rocks. That game that ate all your quarters in 1983? And Claude just does it, right there in your terminal. It writes the code, creates the files, sets everything up. You open your browser and there it is. A fully working Asteroids game, with sound, with explosions, the whole thing. You just built a video game, in your terminal, in like 3 minutes. No degree required, no Stack Overflow. No crying into your keyboard at 2 a.m. wondering why your code won't compile. And congratulations, you just saved 25 cents on your next arcade trip to the mall. You know, if you have a time machine to go back to 1985, which honestly, at this rate, give Claude another 6 months, he'll probably build you one of those too. That's Claude Code, that's the future, and it's sitting right there in your terminal waiting for you. Go get it.